Hey gang, how are you doing? This is Juliana. Welcome back. I am so excited. This is a long overdue, very long overdue. This is it. Let's do this. Thank you for stopping by, and if you are new to my channel, my name is Juliana. I would like to invite you to please come join the gang by clicking on subscribe button, and make sure that you turn on that notification bell so you'll get notified on all my video uploads. Yep. You know what? I have P and F, B and V deficiency. In today's video, we're going to have another giveaway. Information will be detailed in the description down below. Yay. Okay, this is our box of goodies. This one here is a total of at least $200 worth of goodies. First up, I'm going to throw in 5 different types of sheet masks. You have for your face, your hands, and your feet. So everything here are Korean beauty. I'm so excited. I have my favorite sheet mask here from Tony Moly and Esfolio. Next, we're going to throw in Morphe brushes. These are essential brushes that every beauty needs. Next, I'm going to throw in these two. This is the AOA Studio Wonder Blender. So these are my favorite blenders so far, aside from Real Technique and Beauty Blender. As you can see, I love using them. They're so soft. And I got this from Shop Miss A. So I want you to try this as well. Next, I'm going to throw in mascaras. These are my favorite mascaras. ColourPop BFF mascara in black. And one that I love using from AOA Studio. This is their Fat Lash Mascara. I use this every day. One of my favorite $1 mascara. This one can beat those drugstore mascara. I love using this. It really spreads my lashes. It spreads like a wing. Next up, I'm going to throw in my favorite lip essentials. I got a couple of items from e.l.f. I got e.l.f.'s lip exfoliator and their lip matte lipstick. I want you to try one of e.l.f.'s bestseller in Mocha Twist lip color in matte formula. Although it's matte, but it's non-drying. And then of course, I'm going to throw in some sugar scrub for your lips. Take care of your lips. Tortillas from Tarte. This is their lip gloss. And of course, I want you to try one of my favorite lip oil. This is my go-to. I make sure that I have this in my stash. And this is the AOA Oh Honey Lip Oil. Last but not the least, this is the Laritzi Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade Tidal. Now we're done with our lips. We have more in our box. We're not yet done. Let's move on with our eyes. I'm going to throw in the Intense Ink Eyeliner from e.l.f. and their latest Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadow. And then of course, our winner will receive the Violet Voss Fun Size Eyeshadow Palette. And then you're going to have the Bake Trio from e.l.f. And then some eye goodies here. You have an eyeliner, you have 2 eyeliner, you have the stick eyeshadow, and those are some fun stuff that I'm going to give away. And then I'm going to give away this liquid highlighter from e.l.f. Moving on with our eyes, I'm going to throw in a couple of pairs of mink lashes from AOA Studio and Dollar Lash Club. So these are my favorite styles, and this is Kylie and Robin, and I got my favorite Scarlett from AOA Studios. Moving on with skincare products, I'm going to throw in Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream and this Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. Let's talk about face. We have Perfect Setting Powder from AOA Studio, and this is their brightening powder. Girl, you're gonna love this. Also, I'm going to throw in the Modern Metal collection from e.l.f. You're going to receive the contour palette, the eyeshadow palette, lip gloss, and this terracotta matte liquid lipstick. Of course, the last but not the least, I'm going to throw in this Eat Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi palette. I don't know if you remember my last month's Ipsy Plus unboxing. This is one of the products inside my box. I did not even swatch it. So I just opened the box and still in its clean condition. I think that's it. So I'm going to give everything. I'm going to pick one, just one winner this time. Are we going to have a second prize? Are we? You're going to give one? Really? Thank you so much, dear. Okay, I have a sponsor for my second prize. He is so generous to me. He is the love of my life. Of course, I'm going to give away gift card from Sephora, and these two guys here worth $50 each, and this bag of goodies here, which is $200 worth of goodies. Okay, so if you want to join this giveaway, I'm going to put all the links down below. Of course, as always, you must be subscribed to my channel. And if you are a new subscriber and you're just subscribing to me because of the giveaway and you're going to unsubscribe next, then that's not cool. You know what I mean? Alright guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for being there for me all the time. Thank you so much for hanging out with me even though sometimes I talk nonsense. And I want you to know that I love you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you all the time. Hang out with me in every video that I upload. I love you guys. Stay beautiful.